The following message has been transmitted at the request of the FDA and the United States Department of Health. There have been many reports coming in that the lunch combo pizza that the company Little Caesars was giving away free across the United States today have been contaminated with an unknown virus. The origin of where this virus came from is unknown. However, the symptoms of this virus include headache, nausea, vomiting, chest pains, bleeding from the eyes and nose, yellowing of the skin, random red bruises appearing on the body, and a fever of 102 or higher. If you have eaten any pizza from Little Caesars, including the lunch combo, and are showing these symptoms, call 911 immediately, as you will show these symptoms within 30 minutes after consumption. Every resident in the United States is advised to follow these instructions. Do not eat any more pizza that has come from Little Caesars. Put the pizza in the box where it came from, and the National Guard will come and take it to an undisclosed location. All Little Caesars locations in the United States have been closed until the situation is over. Do not throw the pizza away in the garbage as it
Wait a second! What? John! Wait, what the hell? Ah! No! 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 Ah! Oh my God! My flesh! Oh God, it hurts!
The virus, now known as the cheesy fever, has worsened as hospitals are filling up with patients that consume pizza from Little Caesars. Health officials confirmed that even those who didn't consume